No, you're 100% right. And a lot of it goes back to, if you don't have an effective tool to manage and measure this, how are you going to change the output of that, right? How do you know where to go and where to kind of nip that in the bud? A lot of these errors actually happen at the origin service center when the freight is first inspected and analyzed. I know I was a W&I clerk for 2 different carriers. I had my little clipboard, I had my computer, my measuring tape, and now they don't even need that. They have dimensionalizers, right? Everything they get picked up is getting dimensionalized within 1/8 of an inch to confirm that what you put on your bill of lading is what they picked up. So if you can more accurately depict your freight through digitization and automation, you're going to eliminate a lot of errors that happen because you're taking the manual entry away from the carrier. They still have to do manual entry when you're not digitally connected. So not only are you solving this problem for you and your 4 walls, you're doing it for the people that are picking up and executing on your shipments, which overall contributes to that customer experience. So I think you're absolutely spot on there.